We begin in the nation's capital, where the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja earlier today affirmed the election of Nasarawa State Governor Abdullahi Sule. The appellate court also set aside the October 2 judgment of the Nasarawa State Election Petitions Tribunal that sacked APC Sule and declared David Mbugadu, candidate of the People's Democratic Party, winner of the governorship election. Well, the three-member panel of the Court of Appeal held that the tribunal erred in law in concluding that former Governor Sule did not win majority of the votes cast in the election. According to INEC, Governor Sule, Abdullahi Sule polled a total of 347,209 votes to defeat his closest opponent, who secured 283,016 votes. The tribunal, in a split decision on the 2nd of October, sacked Governor Sule of the All Progressives Congress and declared the candidate of the People's Democratic Party winner of the election. While Governor Sule, through his counsel, Wole Olanipeku, approached the appellate court asking it to upturn the judgment of the tribunal. Well, we have our correspondent Helen Osamide-Akins. She joins us to give us more about what happened at the Court of Appeal today. Helen, talk to us about what you experienced in court today, which had already affirmed the election of the Nasarawa State Governor, Abdullahi Sule.
Today is a long-awaited day for people of Nasarawa State and even the political parties as they await the appeal court to give judgment to the decision which was taken in October 2nd by the State Tribunal. Today, the court unturned the earlier judgment where the governor of the state was sacked. The court granted the governor, the appeal court, granted the governor the position that he is the real governor and said that the tribunal erred by sacking the governor earlier. And then in today's judgment, the court held that the evidence brought to the court by the PDP candidate, brought to the tribunal, by the PDP candidates, were not brought before the tribunal within 21 days as stipulated by the law, and therefore the tribunal won't have accepted those evidence to sack the sitting governor. And also the court held that the governor, that is Abdullahi Sule, was not given a fair hearing on the issues of jurisdiction which was raised. They did not take their time to find out the issues. They did not make investigation on the issues of jurisdiction that was raised by the governor. And with all this, the court had to just rule in favor of the governor. That is to say, Governor Abdullahi Sule is still the governor, the elected governor of Nasarawa State. So with this, the APC candidates have the opportunity to go to court if they are not, to go to the Supreme Court if they are not satisfied with this government. And then earlier today, the APC candidates, the APC supporters were in front of the courts celebrating and jubilating jubilating that the judgment went in their favor. And then we are still in court right now, Sarah, where though the judgments have been given, we are waiting for appeal session. The judges are still inside the court, and the councils, we are just waiting. Although whatever they come up with will not upturn the judgment that has been given is still superior. I think this would just be for academic purposes. It's just for the judges to enlighten the council on these decisions taken.
Akins, our correspondent there in court, giving us more updates from the Court of Appeal as to the judgment affirming the election of Nasarawa State Governor Abdullahi Sule. Thank you so much. We'll get back to you on the decision of the court.